Hi, everyone. And as Ira said, good morning to everyone in India. Good evening to everyone in the US. My name's Mona. Full name is Manaswi. So this session, I was able to mentor Rakshita, who's actually a rising 9th grade student from Amarjyoti-Saraswati International School in Gujarat, India. Rakshita came up with some incredibly thoughtful and interesting ideas for what we could work on together. And the idea that we settled on incorporates her burgeoning passion for web development and also her roots from growing up in the state of Gujarat. So Rakshita chose to design a website that could share her favorite aspects of several cities in Gujarat with anyone planning a visit, including details about the arts and culture, key monuments, as well as her own personal recommendations for sites to see. Because Rakshita was relatively new to programming, and this was also her first time developing a web project, I had her start out by completing several tutorials, and she'll definitely be mentioning some of the resources that she was able to use in order to get some starting point on this. And I hope some of Rakshita's biggest takeaways from our sessions together will be the value of using such open source resources for learning how to program. And I'll now let her take it away as she shares with you her project.
Hello everyone, welcome to STEM Magic Mentor Mentee program. This is Rakshita R, a 9th grade passionate student, here presenting to you a final presentation of my STEM Mentor Magic program. Mentored by Manaswi K. My mentor's name is Manaswi K, but typically goes by Mona. She is 25 years old and is currently based out of Chicago. Since 2009, she graduated in 2019 from Wellesley College, where she studied computer science and psychology. Since graduating, she is working as software engineer in Moody's Analytics based out of the NYC office. She grew up in the suburbs of Chicago. In her free time, she loves to cook, goes on runs, and spending time with her family. She is familiar or has worked with foreign languages such as Java, Python, AWS Cloud Technology, TypeScript, JavaScript, HTML, CSS. She has also taken a class in machine learning as a part of her graduate course. Next slide. Some of my goals this session included learning coding skills, becoming proactive in terms of technology, and expanding in-depth knowledge about STEM. Some of you might ask me that why did I make website on Gujarat? It is because it is renowned for its temple towns, historic capitals, and beaches. Wildlife sanctuaries, hill resorts, natural glory are gifts of Gujarat. Sculptures, handicrafts, arts, and festivals also make the state rich. Website is accessible to anyone, anywhere, and anytime. I wanted to learn something that would be helpful to people in this way. Therefore, I decided to choose web development. Also, it made my vision clear towards my career that software development is fast-paced and challenging. It has got so many innovative things to learn. Next slide. My website was created using a free platform for beginner web development called mentee. In the process of making this website, I picked up some important skills like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, using the resources my mentor suggested to me, like WT3 Schools, Geeks for Geeks, and also Khan Academy. I also learned the basics of SQL. Slide. The link to my website mentioned in the presentation. Some additional features or skills I would love to discover if I would be given a chance would be database integration with my new SQL skills. After completing my development of the website on Replit, I worked with my mentor to move all my code to GitHub and publish it to GitHub Pages site linked to my very first Git repository. This allows the site to be publicly accessible and hosted on a free open source platform that I can continue to update in the future. My magical experience. This project was an incredible and valuable opportunity offered and recommended to me by my teachers, Niren sir and Ushma ma'am. I would like to be thankful and grateful to them. I not only I designed programming and coding, but I also acquired best communication, teamwork skills, resilience, and became a time-conscious person. Next. I learned how to prioritize the things and what was to be focused at that moment. I gained patience and became a time-conscious person. The challenge I faced throughout this journey was time management because we had different time zones due to which it was difficult for us to communicate. But nothing can defeat us. Me and my mentor, managed a suitable time, and during an appropriate time, we texted each other and made complete this project. Next slide. Outline of my website. Before the research time, my mentor advised me that there needs to be a rough idea of how my website is going to be, like a front end and back end. So this is the first plan or first step towards my website. Next. Next. Yeah. This is my video demo explaining my website.
I'm going to play it. Okay.
This is Rakshita R, a 9th grade student from Amarjyoti-Saraswati International School. This is my website on tourist attractions on #top 4 cities in Gujarat. I grew up in the state of Gujarat, in the city Bhavnagar, and now I want to share the best sites for anyone who is planning a visit. This is my homepage where I want to convey my message to the people about the need for holidays and what actually tourism is. This are the navigation menu that would further navigate the user to the tourist places or the cities they want to access. This is the Gujarat page where there are the list of #top 4 cities in Gujarat. This page is about the city of Ahmedabad. This is the video clip with my voice in it briefing about the Ahmedabad city.
Ahmedabad in Western India is the largest city in the state of Gujarat. The Sabarmati River runs through its center. On the western bank is the Gandhi Ashram at Sabarmati, which displays the spiritual leaders' living quarters and artifacts. Across the river, the Calico Museum of Textiles, once a cloth merchant's mansion, has a significant collection of antique and modern fabrics.
Categories to explore in the city are like various places which hold importance of arts and culture, like Villa Sarabai, Ahmedabadi Gufa, Sabarmati Ashram. Significant museums like the Calico Museum of Textiles, Vichar Museum, and an educational tour like Science City. This page covers the city of Rajkot. The video clip briefing about the city.
Rajkot, the city in the western Indian state of Gujarat. Kabba Gandhino Delu, the house where Mahatma Gandhi spent his childhood, and the Jubilee Garden and Center, the Watson Museum with paintings and artifacts, the Aji River, also known as the lifeline of Rajkot, and the Rotary Stall Museum that exhibits stalls from and around the world.
Also has many tourist attractions to explore, like places of arts and culture, like Kabba Gandhino Delu, Rotary Dolls Museum, and museums, educational tour like a zoological park. Moving on to the next page, we have city Surat. Video clip briefing about the city.
Surat is a large city beside the Tapi River in the West Indian state of Gujarat. The word Surat literally means face in Gujarati and Hindi. It has Surat Castle, Dutch and Armenian cemetery. A renowned diamond hub of the world, a city of Surat is nowhere behind being the tourist hub for all the global travelers.
It has different attractions to visit like Sardar Patel Museum, beaches and lakes where one can enjoy a beautiful view of sunset. Last but not the least, we have Vadodara city, which has lavish palaces like Lakshmi Vilas Palace and kid-friendly garden, which has so much to learn. Video clip briefing about the city.
Vadodara, also called as Baroda, city in east central of Gujarat, a prominent city for landmarks such as the Lakshmi Vilas Palace and also home to Sayajirao University. The city is named for its abundance of banyan tree. It is also known for the most lavish palaces in India. It is the cultural capital of Gujarat.
This is my reference page, which allows others to identify the sources I have used and gives supporting evidence for my ideas. That's all. Thank you.
Thank you.
That was a very good presentation, Rakshita. We will entertain a couple of questions from the audience, either right there in the room or on the video call, on the Zoom call.
You can ask questions if you have any.
I have a question for Rakshita. This is Smriti. I'm on the Zoom call. And I am another magic mentor. Rakshita, that was wonderful work. And it was nice to see how you could tie your interests to Gujarat and help share some of where you're from and also learn about website development at the same time. I was wondering if you could share your favorite part of the project.
Paperwork is not here currently. It is in my laptop.
Rakshita, can you repeat your answer? Did you say that you like doing the design? Is that what you mean?
No, I did not understand the question. Can you please repeat?
Yes. I was asking what was your favorite part of working on this project?
Favorite part. Yeah, favorite part because I grew up in Gujarat and definitely India and Gujarat are in my veins. So favorite part was seeing the images because we all are like less into content and more into images. So picking up the images and coding was my best part because not only did I learn, but it was something that I had to boost my logical thinking and problem solving skills. So that was my favorite part.
Thank you.
One more question is there. It's here.
Yes.
How did you, the website is not an easy task to do. So how do you manage your time to make the website and learning about skills?
That is all because of my mentor.
Rakshita, sorry to interrupt. Can you repeat the question? So that's
question is by Sia that she says that how did you manage to make on this website like learning and having tutorials also. So my answer is that with the help of my mentor, during the first month she suggested me to take tutorials and we were like, I was like on WP schools where I learned all my coding first. Then she suggested me to go with the outline of my website to how my website should be created, how my website is going to be. After deciding that, she first showed me one page that how it is going to be. Then I did it on my own and if I had any doubts, I bothered her because she was like, you can ask me any questions you have, and she always replied me and she was very humble with me also.
Any more questions for Rakshita?
No. Are there questions? No, ma'am.
Good. Okay, well done, Rakshita.